बोलना श्रीलंका नहीं बनेगा।
Good morning, viewers. This is the second video for standard 9th, and during previous video we discussed about the India's size and location. What is the size of the country? Means the area of the country, the north to south distance, means length of the country, and breadth of the country, areas of the countries, rank of the countries. All of these are size of the country. And we also understood that the location on which latitude and longitude where our country India is situated in the world. In this regard, the rest parts is that our country already you visit this map, then you may notice that our India, which is started from 68 degrees 7 minute E longitude to 97 degrees 25 minute E longitude, and 8 degree 4 minute to 37 degree 6 minute N latitude. The Tropic of Cancer, which divided our country into two equal halves, approximately equal half, not the same exact equal, but it divide our India into two equal half. This is the northern India and this is the southern India. So this is the 23.5 degree north latitude, and it is also considered as Tropic of Cancer. It is considered as Tropic of Cancer, which divide our India into two equal halves. And you noticed that if you have some information about physiographic divisions of India, then you may find that the northern Himalayas, which marked the northern boundary from Jammu Kashmir to northernmost boundary from Jammu Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh, all of these regions were mountainous parts, Himalayan mountain ranges were extended. So it marked our northern boundaries, and southern parts, Kanyakumari, bounded the southernmost tips of the country, mainland of India. This eastern coastal plain and western coastal plain marked the eastern and western boundary. So, Tropic of Cancer, which divided our India into two equal halves, which is 23.5 degree, means 23 degree and 30 minutes. From latitude 20 degree, this is the latitudes of 20 degree N. From 20 degree N latitude, India becoming start the taper from these regions. Means India become taper. These regions become taper while these regions are wider. So then this means after 22 degree north latitude, India becoming taper according to this map. And if you notice that the country India from 20 degree to southward, if we go, here it is Indian Ocean. It is already Bay of Bengal. And here it is Arabian Sea. Means after 20 degrees, the southern means peninsular part of the country penetrated into Indian Ocean. Penetrated into Indian Ocean. And Indian Ocean is divided by the penetration of southern parts of India into Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. If you studied over latitudinal extent of our country and longitudinal extent, latitudinal extent of our country and longitudinal extent of our country, both have approximately 30 numbers of latitude, approximately, not exactly, means 37 degree 6 minute and southern 8 degree 4 minute. 8 degree 4 minute is subtracted by the 2 and approximately 29 degree 2 minute. It is duration of latitude and longitude 97 degree 25 minute. 97 degree 25 minute is subtracted 68 degree 7 minute. It is also and means total approximately whole part of India on the latitudinal basis and longitudinal basis. It is approximately 29 degree 2 minute, 29 degree 18 minute. It is approximately, it have 30 numbers of latitude. So the 82 degree 30 minute is selected as the prime meridian of India. Why? Because it lies in middle of the country. It crosses the middle of the country. Means 28 degree means 68 degree 7 minute and 97 degree 25 minute. It have approximately half of this line is approximately 14 degree and 30 minute. 14 degree and 30 minute. Then 68 degree 7 minute. 68 degree 7 minute is added. 7 minute is added by 40 degree and 30 minute. 40 degree and 30 minute added, becoming 37 and 82. 82 degree 37 minute means 82 degree and 30 minute is selected as the standard meridian of India. It's selected as standard meridian of India. In this way, 82 degree 30 minutes is selected as the if you visit this map of India, if you observe the map of India, then you notice that half of this northern part and half of this southern, Tropic of Cancer of the southern parts, these are approximately same. But if 82 degree 30 minute is divided India into two equal half approximately, so then may you notice that this half means this part of India is smaller than this part of India. Means eastern parts of this country is smaller than the western parts of this country. Latitudinal extent means 8 degree 4 minute to 37 degree 6 minute. It also influence the or mark the duration of day and night. Duration of day and night is influenced by the latitude in any country. like 28 degree 4 minute, which is closer than equator. It is equator line. It is closer than equator. Then the areas which is far from equator, they become, the sun rays fall there in slant way, and the duration of night in winter is larger, and the duration of day of winter is lower, while on the other hand the duration of day is larger in summer season, and the duration of night is smaller in the summer season. While in this part of India, these parts, means southernmost parts of the country, which are very closer than India, so it create approximately equal day and night. The differences between day and night is not more than this region. Means in this region where the duration of day and night are approximately equal, here it is equal, no doubt it is equal, and in this region they may differences, but very few minutes. But in this region the differences may expanded in 1 hour and more hour. So 1 and more hour. So the differences between day and duration of day and night is very approximately very clear here, but in these regions are not clear. The duration of the day and night become less or more in this northern half, because the sun rays in this region, sun rays fall directly, while in this region sun rays fall in slant way. So the duration of day and night become there are difference here. So this is also the location. All of these matters are related to the location of the country India.
12:39.
Now we should consider on India and the world. This topic is also the subtopic of the India's size and location. If you observe the central location of India, then you find that our country India have southward extension in the continent of Asia. In the continent of Asia, our country have the southward extension, and it is not only southward, it is centrally located also in the map of Asia. So in Asian continent, our India are situated in southernmost region and centrally located also. So this location of India provided the strategic location for the country, because the southernmost part of the country, which are lies in the Trans-Indian Ocean route, and these are very closer to the penetrated parts, protruding parts of this country is very closer. Then the eastern margin, many countries which lie in this region, like Myanmar, here it is Myanmar, Bangladesh, Indonesia, Thailand, Jakarta, China, in this country. So our India is easily connected with eastern countries that are situated in Asia and many other regions. While in these regions where Pakistan, Afghanistan, here it is the Arabian countries. So in this with these ports, with these parts of the country, India is closely related to this country, closely connected with these countries, and India is very closely connected with this eastern marginal country. So due to this strategic position of the country, it became it taken many more beneficiality in from ancient period, and this is the main reason for setting up of India's trade relation between amongst other countries very easily. So this provide beneficiality to the country. Thank you very much.